today we are going to Naxos Island, which is, by the way, it's the biggest island in Cyclades, correct?
Correct.
Right, and we're here in airport now, so it takes like 40 to 45 minutes, right?
41.5.
Okay, then. And Cyclades is, let's say, it's tropical islands here in Greece. It's composed of many beautiful islands like...
You cannot say tropical. The sea is tropical. It's totally dry. But it's places here, very touristic places here in Greece. There's no people coming to Greece not visiting Cyclades Island. Our final destination will be Koufonisia, which is a small island, and I think it's one of my favorite destinations. I've been there before, but Lynne never. I think she will like it. Let's see.
Yes. Come and join us in our new adventure.
Yes.
It's kind of weird, huh?
What?
Because less people. I mean, it's not. It's different this time. So we're going to the lounge since it's yes, us. Nice.
This one?
Yeah.
Wait.
Yeah.
Anything else you want?
No, it's fine.
So did you see the email they sent us?
No.
Huh?
Oh, I just focus to the...
They asked us to make a video for a product from United States
Bravo, very
because
nice.
they appreciate the content of our channel.
Because of you.
No, because of you. You are the model.
But who's the creator? It's you, right?
I'm the one behind the scenes. On the road again.
Yeah. I like, very nice.
Hello.
Which signal? Huh? This one?
Der ist ganz spannend.
just a short trip, hassle-free, huh?
Hassle free.
It's only 30 minutes.
Μπράβο σας, πολύ ωραίο το ταξίδι. Στην ώρα του.
Πολύ όμορφη μέρα.
Ευχαριστούμε. Bye.
Τέλος σας γιατί φυσάει έξω μη φύγει.
Your hat because it's windy.
Okay, thanks.
Have a blessed day.
Bye-bye.
Κέρδος έτσι στη μέση.
Ναι, εννοείται δηλαδή.
Θα τραγικοποιηθούν η κατάσταση, θα βρεθούν τα εμβόλια, θα είναι ακριβά, θα βγει κρίμα από αυτήν την στιγμή. Όπως βγαίνει από τη σανία της ασθένειας. Κοίτα τι όμορφα, You see? Beautiful, Καλά, δεν μπορώ. Και ο Σκοπελίτης που κάνει, τελικά.
Εδώ, η ώρα.
Καλά, ναι, όχι.
Εδώ αράζει ο Σκοπελίτης, η μικρή προβλήτα.
In Naxos Harbor, and we'll be here just in 1 hour from our place. We're in Cyclades Island,
Yes.
and we're waiting for our ferry, which will bring to the final destination, Koufonisia.
Koufonisia.
Koufonisia?
Ohi.
Koufonisia.
I like nice intro. So here we are now. We just landed. I mean, I cannot imagine. It's very fast. I thought it was 45 minutes flight, but it's just 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Huh? It's like we just took a breakfast, something like that. It's just bum. We're here. And then the taxi driver brought us here at the harbor, and waiting for our trip going to Koufonisia.
Koufonisia.
Yeah. Yeah. So I'm so excited to see that island because the church told me it's a beautiful small island here in Cyclades.
Yeah, it's a tropical island without the coconut
Coconut trees.
naked,
Naked, yeah.
but it's tropical all around.
But overall, it's a hassle-free trip.
Hassle free.
Yeah,
Of
hassle-free.
Of course, because we are in Greece. See, this is how you can move around Greece.
Yeah.
Hassle free.
Yeah. I'm so amazed also while inside the airplane. I saw some Cyclades islands like Varos. Yeah. What's the other ones? Yeah, Signo, something like that.
Something.
Beautiful. Oh my gosh, you cannot imagine the colors of the sea, turquoise, the houses, the villages, the white and blue, Poliaria. Italia.
We got another 1 hour to wait for the boat. Until then, let's have a coffee.
Okay. See you later. So this is the ship we are going to take to Koufonisia. Imagine if we take this ship this morning, this early morning, we will be inside like 6 hours and then another 2 hours going to Koufonisia. But because of my sweet husband, he cared so much, I mean our health, so better to take the airplane rather than to be stuck for long hours, you know, and we save time. Imagine, this is the important thing.
Overcharge people for 3 years, and then, you know, 10, 20 years later, hope they get rich, they need more money from like donations.
Finally, we
sir.
made it. We made it.
Where do you want to sit?
It's right, eh?
Προσοχή παρακαλώ, παρακαλούνται οι επιβάτες του προορισμό της κοινότητα όπως ετοιμασώ για απομείνωση. Κυρίες και κύριοι, παρακαλείστε να μένετε στις οσίδες και να κρατάτε τις προβλεπόμενες αποστάσεις.
So after 2 hours, we're here at Koufonisia. So now we're just waiting the van to pick it up here.
So we managed after
2 hours.
how many hours? 2 hours.
Yes, 2
We're
hours.
in Koufonisia, final destination,
Uh-huh.
and we are going to have a great time.
Yes!
Did you see the colors?
Yes, super.
Eh?
Very
What did I tell
clear.
you? What did I tell you?
Paradise.
No, it's tropical without the coconut trees. The colors.
Correct, correct. I like it.
Yeah.
It's like Cyclades vibes.
Πάμε.